Why is my brain so full? A brim that overflows. No room to look smart or feel beautiful. I'm trying to swim against the river that flows, but nothing particular comes from it. Conversation, self-judgment, self-improvement, randomness. Constant thought makes me look dumb. It feels way too full. I want to let go. Think less. Feel less. Just go with the flow. My brain is too full. Some days it's so loud I can't finish thought and I almost drowned. But 3 a.m. poems do help me to let go. Why is my brain so full? Could it just be what makes me a little bit more beautiful?